So the big picture for this lesson is equity. Now the equity is the net value of an asset. And an asset is an item that has monetary value, for example, real estate, collectibles, precious metals, stocks, etc. The market value of an asset is the amount of money that someone would pay to buy it. So liabilities are debts that are owed. For example, student loans, credit card bills, automobile loans, mortgages, etc. And the equity is the net value. You take into consideration the market value of an item and any liabilities that are attached to it. And the example here is if you have a used car valued at $4,000 and there's a loan balance of $1,500, then you subtract the loan from the value of the car and you get $2,500, which is the equity of the car. And so a lot of times people buy assets hoping they'll appreciate in value, and you can generally predict within some certain degree of accuracy what the future value will be. Of course, market conditions may change at any time, and these predictions are oftentimes inaccurate somewhat. So what you can do is you can calculate the estimated market value based on appreciation and calculate the future balances of any liabilities and then subtract the liabilities from estimated market value. So there's an example here of buying a house, and it's expected to appreciate at 3% per year. And you also take out a mortgage. So basically what you do to find the future value is you figure the appreciation, and then you also subtract the amount of the house that you're going to be paying off. So first thing you're doing here is estimating the future value, and you're using the exponential growth formula, assuming 3% per year, 200,000 times 1 plus 0.03 to the 10th power, because you're trying to figure out the value in 10 years. So the example in the lesson is you purchase a home for $200,000 and you pay 20% down, and the rest you take out a 30-year mortgage. The interest rate is 4%. If you estimate the house will appreciate in value 3% per year, how much equity should you have after 10 years? So the first thing you do is you calculate the future value based on appreciation, and that's exponential growth. So it's 200,000 times 1 plus 0.03 and then to the 10th power, because 10 is the number of years. And the 1 plus 0.03, that's the growth factor. So in 10 years, the house is estimated to be worth $268,800. And so what you can do is calculate the future loan balance using this crazy formula right here. It's basically the compounding interest formula, and you can see what the variables are defined to be over here. There's future balance, current balance, annual interest rate, time to pay off the loan in years, number of payments made per year, and the number of years of payments made. So you can use this big old formula to determine the future loan balance based on the amount of the loan that you have and also how long you're going to be paying the loan. So in this situation, paying off a 30-year mortgage after 10 years, if the initial balance is $180,000, then your new balance after 10 years is going to be $141,800. So then based on the appreciation, subtracting the loan balance, you get an equity of $127,000. So that will be the net value of the asset after you paid off the mortgage. So those are the types of calculations you're going to make. That's the big picture.